Goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips. If you got a loss of straight leg raise, hip flexion, it's a great move. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a dumbbell or kettlebell. You're gonna hold it in one hand. You wanna do a RDL with that. So set up for that. I'm gonna be about hip width apart, maybe a little wider. Bell's gonna be between the knees. You want soft knees, looking about, 10 feet ahead or so. Exhale, and then you wanna push the hips back. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop the weight, catch with the opposite side like that. So from the side, here, I'm gonna drop it, catch it. Drop it, catch it. Make sure I'm keeping the hips back the whole time. If you wanna up the intensity of it a little bit, you can give the weight a little flick up like that. So I'm almost rowing it. So that way I got a little bit more momentum of the weight going down. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.